So I'm here at my friend's house. He's putting a sump pump in his garage. This is the wheel he used, a 7-inch blade on his circular saw to create the cut for the hole. All right, here is his hole. It's all, the cement is cut out. The hole is dug down to the depth that he wants it. He is making a form where he will place the form inside the hole, and once that form is in, he will pour concrete around on the bottom and around the edges. Here you can see his form. The top bracket is just to keep it square, but this form is going to be set in the hole and the concrete will be poured around the edges. Here is the concrete that he is using to pour his form for the sump pit. Mixing concrete. Not very difficult, but it needs to be mixed properly. All right, first bag of concrete in the hole, putting it out on the bottom, 2 3/4 inches or 2 to 3 inches all the way around. So there'll be a couple bags of concrete. All right, putting another layer of concrete on top. This one is a little bit drier. Smoothing it out to make it look good. Here is the bottom, has already been set in place. It's still wet. The mold has been placed into the pit, and now the concrete will be poured around the edges, giving this sump pump pit about a 3-inch casing on the bottom and on the sides. All right, now fill in the sides while the bottom is still wet, so it's basically all one big piece. All right, continuing to fill in the sides around the form. Okay, getting near the top, you gotta agitate it once it's in there to make sure there's no gaps.
So what this does is it takes all the rock out of the stone out of the top 1/4 inch. That's why it can become smooth.
Yep.
So just by doing this, you're what you're doing is effectively pushing the stone down. Give you a smooth finish.
All right, this is poured, it's finished, and tomorrow we'll take the wood out. All right, we're about to take the mold off, or the form, if you will. By the way, make sure you put the screws on the inside so you can get to them, not the outside. All right, here's the hole, the sump pump pit, completely formed, 3 inches of concrete on the bottom and all the way around the sides. This is what the pump's gonna be. It's gonna go right out the side of the wall. So you can see it right here. Here is the exhaust for the sump pump on the other side of the wall.